One, Daniel on the 2, Jacob on the 3. Mo 2 coming down.
Pedal, Mason, pedal, Mason, pedal.
You take my life, but I'll take yours too. You fire looking for the underproof. So when you win from you better stand.
We got 285 Mason out front. We got Lee
Pedal, Mason, pedal.
on number 2. No, Colden. Colden on 2. Aaron on 3. Looks like we got Lee on the 4th spot. Aaron trying to make up ground. Aaron gonna pass him in the turn. That's how he got that number 1 state plate. Looks like Colden trying to get that 2 spot back. Aaron's gonna hold it.